All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Vision Paradox Rex. I'm Emroy, the CEO of the company, and this is.
Max, I'm a copywriter, social media manager, and the real CEO of the company.
And what are we reacting to today?
And we're reacting to T-Mobile's well, I can't say well, big game from back in February. You know, the big football game. It's T-Mobile's commercial.
Yeah.
It's Turk and JD.
Oh wow.
Specfinity. Oh, it's Spectrum and Infinity, the
Oh,
rival company.
put together.
No. This is T-Mobile kind of just putting Spectrum and Infinity.
Oh, okay.
You're right. Let's go say to him.
Yay!
Why?
Wait a second. Is that who I think it is?
I,
It's Guy Love.
oh wow.
But you're in the frame.
Oh, I just realized our audio. We need to turn up audio on mine.
Oh, should I pause and turn it up?
No, it's fine. We're here. Oh my
See,
god! I can't believe they're doing
tell
this.
me more, tell me more.
I can't take him seriously with this super villain look.
I know.
Albeit it's a great look. It's a great alternative, especially with guys who are, with receding hairlines.
Yeah.
Jeez.
If you do, a big fan of Brie. What T-Mobile can do.
I'm not gonna lie, he really looks badass with
Yeah.
this look, man.
Let's go, Danny Zuko.
Hey, okay, let's go.
It's Guy Love. Okay, Olivia Newton-John. Rip. Oh my God.
Oh my god. I did like Scrubs,
Yeah.
but I never really watched the whole thing. It's been bits and pieces.
Oh, I binge that shit.
Okay,
Choreo.
passe. What is that? Okay.
Specfinity.
I know the wires in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Thoughts on that? I don't take a lot of those ads seriously in terms of it's not really a moment for them to really sell anything. It's more of a great opportunity for like a great spectacle for the brand. The whole point of it, since there's so many people watching, is to kind of get people to talk about your brand. You want it to be memorable, and this is almost like me being a professional dancer, like a review, a dance recital, or whatever the hell some people might. It's like a show. It's a showcase for all these brands to tell a story with their product, their brand.
Yeah.
So that way, again, you want people to talk about it. It's almost like same thing with it's 2023. People were talking about Rihanna, and she doesn't get paid for that. She put her own money into it, but it was a great opportunity to leverage the attention around that show.
Yeah.
Not show. That
The
sporting
brand,
event. But yeah, I mean, what do you got? Definitely entertaining, a lot of fun. It definitely touches on the demographic of like the older generation, Gen X, Boomers, maybe some millennials who liked
Scrubs.
Scrubs, who liked Grease. It's very interesting on our other channel. The younger generation loves Grease 2. My
my
generation
God, yeah.
prefers Grease 1. So it's very interesting. But yeah, like those, it's great that in terms of hitting that dynamic, or where older millennials or Gen Xers probably moving in into better neighborhoods and whatnot. So it hits the demographic of like growing up, seeing familiar characters or even actors in a much more grown up setting.
Yeah.
So like this is what Danny Zuko might have become as he got older. So I mean, albeit his character's in the 50s, but it's different. It's going beyond that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go your thoughts.
Yeah, because I we didn't watch the game. We didn't pay attention to the game at all. Like the day of,
No,
like we were just like, we know Rihanna's performing later, so
we were there for the Rihanna.
we were there for the Rihanna concert. Sorry, man. I didn't pay attention to it. I didn't know this was actually gonna happen. Because before, when I used to like really like pay attention to like the game and everything, like back when I had cable, I used to know kind of what was coming up, because sometimes some of these ads, they'll do like a primer, like they'll do like a shorter version or a teaser of it days leading up to the game. And then they'll show the full ad like during, whenever they paid for it.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I didn't know this was gonna happen. This was a really good surprise, because so I love Scrubs.
Yeah, Scrubs
I
is
love
funny.
Turk and JD, and JD. But yeah, this is like, yeah, you like touched on it earlier. Like, it's the familiarity. Like they're really like kind of banking on that nostalgia of like with Travolta, the song itself is Summer Nights.
Yeah.
Yeah, and and there's Turk and JD. There's Donald Faison and Zach Braff as kind of Turk and JD, just having random songs in their hearts, because that's how it was in Scrubs. It was guy love.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I know, like I know there was some sort of selling there, because obviously this is still an ad. This is still like, they're still selling their home internet.
Yeah.
But really, it's just, it still gets people talking about T-Mobile. If no one picks up, like if no one like goes on their computers right now and switches their internet to T-Mobile, whatever, I don't think they really care that much. They just want people talking about T-Mobile and like getting T-Mobile in everyone's brains for like a good like few weeks or so.
Yeah, like they literally didn't show any of the logo here until the end.
Beginning and then end.
Yeah, beginning and end. There's no exact T-Mobile placement per se, but it was definitely a lot of like. I think they tried to do a lot of storytelling through the musical, the song, but the thing, in terms of storytelling part, I'd say like it's a lot of telling, but it's very catchy storytelling.
Oh yeah, I know they were putting like the benefits of switching to T-Mobile into the lyrics of the song, but because it's such a familiar song, people are still gonna keep defaulting to the original lyrics. They're not gonna like remember all this.
Yeah,
really. Like, oh, I just knew because like I could read it in the subtitles.
Yeah, it's a clever way of leveraging what's familiar to us and shifting it. It's almost like Weird Al's, like you people know like beat it, but also think of eat it. So it's clever. Will it
translate to sales?
I don't know, maybe, but like it's hard. It's with these things, it's hard to like really track. But it's definitely a great conversation. That's it for me. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Let us know what you think about this ad. And
Tell me more. Tell me more.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.